Have you ever felt like managing your money is a never-ending chore? Imagine having instant access to your bank account 24/7 without waiting in line or rushing to the bank before it closes. Feels like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's reality, and it's right in your pocket. A mobile banking app is your personal bank on your smartphone or tablet. With it, you're just a few taps away from checking your balance, transferring money, paying bills, depositing checks, and even applying for loans or credit cards. It's fast, easy, and always with you, whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation. But how does this magical tool actually work? The process is simpler than you might think. The moment you open the app, you're greeted with a secure login. Gone are the days of remembering passwords. Many apps now offer biometric logins like fingerprint or face recognition for extra security. After you're in, the dashboard lays it all out for you. See your balance, review your latest transactions, and access the features you use most. Need to send money to a friend? It's as simple as tapping a few buttons. Want to pay a bill? You can do it in seconds. No more writing checks or mailing payments. Just pick the recipient, enter the amount, and hit send. Speaking of checks, if you've got one to deposit, just snap a photo of it. Yes, it's that easy. No trip to the bank required. Security is tight too. Real-time notifications keep you aware of every transaction. If something looks off, you'll know instantly. These apps often come with two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to keep your money safe. Some apps even go a step further, offering budgeting tools and personalized financial insights. Want to know where your money is going each month? Curious about how you can save more? These tools make it easy to track and improve your spending habits. If you're still not using a mobile banking app, you're missing out on the ultimate financial convenience. It's like having a personal banker that works around the clock, never takes a day off, and always has your back. Ready to stop waiting in line and start managing your money smarter? Then it's time to get the power of mobile banking in your hands.